In this video, I'll be discussing question 5, which is how did you attract or address your audience? Before we could start filming for our opening title sequence, we had to conduct some research into our genre of film. When we started our research, we had a certain audience in mind. When we did the research, we managed to get the same target audience. This was young adults aged 16 to 24. The next slide is gender. When we did our research, we tried to get a mixed opinion, although in some parts we targeted more of the male population within our opening title sequence. We then asked some sample questions to try and get the background for our target audience. For example, do you watch scary movies? If yes, do you prefer horrors or thrillers? We then asked them what setting they expected to see. The majority of them said they expected to see a big house, so then this is what we decided to do, because the majority of the audience wanted to see this. We then asked them what props they expected to see, and they mainly expected to see blood, knife and a gun. But within our opening sequence, we used blood and a kettle. After this, we asked them how they would feel whilst watching a thriller, or how they expect to feel whilst watching a thriller. The majority of them said they expected to feel nervous, uneasy and scared. We also made it so that we portrayed these feelings across within our opening sequence, as well as more feelings like being vulnerable and lost, and also not expecting or not knowing what to expect next. We expected the audience to be asking lots of questions at the end, which would mean that they would want to continue watching the film. We also did vox pops and questionnaires to increase our target audience and our research into it. Thank you for listening.